Hi viewers, in this lecture we'll discuss what is auxiliary constructor. Okay, so there are three types of constructor, right? So default constructor, primary constructor, okay, auxiliary constructor. Okay, this auxiliary constructor we also called as a secondary constructor or optional constructor. Okay, so we will create auxiliary constructor or secondary constructor using this keyword. Okay, so so, so we will discuss one example. Okay, so this is I'm creating one class employee one. Okay, this is having three parameters. Okay, this is called a constructor, right? Okay, so I'm creating secondary constructor using uh, def this. Def we will use to create one method. Okay, this is a keyword to create auxiliary or secondary constructor. Okay, so this I am passing two parameters only. So here using this keyword we are invoking the primary constructor. Okay, with the two parameters only. So third parameter we are leaving, we are not passing anything. Okay, so in next auxiliary constructor we are taking only one parameter. Okay, remaining two are we are passing nulls. Okay, so that means based on your requirement you can create n number of secondary constructors. Okay, so in this method I want only I am passing only two parameters. In this second method I am passing only one parameter. Likewise, based on requirement you can create n number of auxiliary constructor. So the main rule is here, once you have created that auxiliary constructor you have to, in first step you have to call the primary constructor. You have to invoke the primary constructor. That is the rule here. Okay, so I have created two auxiliary constructor here. So okay, in main method what I am doing, I am creating instance. Okay, and passing, I'm calling the main primary constructor with the three parameters. 100,000 I'm passing employee 1000, employee name Basha, email something. Okay, so just here I am printing instance dot employee id tab separator. Okay, to separate the, this is a tab separator, right? Slash t means we are separating these two parameters with the tab. Okay, and instance dot email. Okay, these three I'm printing. Okay, this is primary constructor we are calling. Here auxiliary constructor I'm creating new instance. Okay, em2. Okay, I am passing only employee id and employee name. Third parameter is null, right? So no, we are not passing. Same thing we are printing. Okay, so here I am creating new instance for this second auxiliary constructor. I am just here we are passing only employee id. Okay, so we'll execute and we'll see the output. See, this is the primary constructor, these two are the auxiliary constructor. Okay, so based on our requirement we can create n number of auxiliary secondary constructors. Okay, uh, this is a small example for the auxiliary constructor or secondary constructor. Okay, thanks for watching this video.